Alright everyone, you know me, the Panda Photographer. So I want to talk about some of the stuff that I upgraded, why I put into investing in some of these items, and take this with a grain of salt. So with that said, please do subscribe, please do like, share, and please do leave a comment and tell me what you guys think of these upgrades. But as I said before, the iPhone 6s has been my daily driver as my phone and for the responsibility for most of my videos. When I'm traveling, this was my mobile setup and it did very well. It could shoot 4K. It did have some ISO issues that it needs to be addressed, but I use Pro Movie and it gives me the flexibility to take control over that sensor. And this here has been, the bread and butter. But I upgraded to the iPhone X. The reason why I upgraded to the iPhone X is because two things. I needed a better camera, and the iPhone 6s is going to be blacklisted in about a year. iPhone does this with their older phones. They stop sending updates to their older phones. And iPhone 6s has been out for a very long time. I had it for about 4 years. So the iPhone X, on the other hand, is more up to date. It has a better camera, has better video features, ISO capabilities, low light capabilities. It's going to have a better front sensor camera, so when I do Instagram, much better video quality. That's important, but I also did match what I got previously with the iPhone 6s, is which the storage, 64 gigabytes of that storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty. So, and it actually detects my face very efficiently. It opens very well, and I really am satisfied with this iPhone X. I do most of my things with my iPhone, paying bills, easy to do it. Paying tap and go, so I don't have to take out my card all the time at grocery stores or at other institutions that accept Apple Pay or electronic pay. This is important. So yes. Second, for you photographers out there, now take this with a grain of salt. Some of you guys that are in love with MAGMOD capabilities and the idea of making things magnetic and magnetized is not the first, but great products. But if you cannot afford a product, I have found a solution that may solve some of your problems. Did my research, came across this. This is magnetic as well, comes with a soft diffuse dome, comes with a honey grid, comes with a base. That's a gel in it. So I'm going to tell you how to put the gels inside. And it comes with the housing. This may be able to fit the AD200. But as you can see from my my T600, it fits very loose, but you tighten it down, which I'm going to show you in a second. But I want to show you how you put these gels in, and I want to show you what these gels look like. So these are the gels. These and this housing here, which is the first housing, you're going to put this, the top, in first. Then there's going to be a little clip or a notch, and you push in. The gel doesn't come out. So when you put it on the housing, that doesn't come out. You can put the honeycomb diffuser if you want, and the softbox if you want. And how it fits is you tighten it down just like so, and doesn't come off whatsoever. I can do this all day, but who has time for that, right? But as you can see, compact, very flexible, very this is going to replace my fake Gary Fong diffuser. Yeah, because it's big, it's clunky, doesn't really fold, and I need the space, and this is going to save space in my Pelican case. Now, for you photographers, even if you do have the money for MAGMOD, this might be the option for you. It comes with green gels, it comes with orange gels, or yellow gels, or whatever you want to call it. I think that's like an orange tilt, yellow tilt, and this is one is a blue and a red. Those are the gels it comes with. I'm not sure who supplies other colored gels for this, but I'll look into it. But other than that, yeah, it works very efficient. I think this is going to do very well for my portraits or headshots of candidates. But with that said, this is also going to be good for event photography. This is going to be good for weddings. So this is going to give you a nice spread of light in your surroundings, and like a Gary Fong diffuser. Those were really popular in the early, like 2010 to 2015. People used the Gary Fong diffuser quite a bit, but this is going to give you that nice spread of light around that room, and that room that you might be in. You gotta just, accordingly dial the light output based on the room size too, so make sure you do that. But with that said, everyone, this is Panda. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching these little increments and small updates. I keep you informed what's going on in Portland, and I'm having a good time. Went out to Washington Park today and got a little dirty, but it was worth it. And take a shot. Go to the Instagram. You can see the top of the hill. Would see a shot of the city of Portland. It's very nice scenery. So go check it out on my Instagram. My new website is up, ThePandaPhotographer.com. The links will be in the descriptions below, so go check it out. It's directly made for clients, and it's not separated from the YouTube content to, clients, but it's going to be all client based, and this is where, sponsors can reach me and people can reach out and support. PayPal donation link is also down in the description below if you guys want to support and keep the lights on here. Really does help, mind you. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. Guys, take care. Happy shooting.